Hey y'all, here is your assignment for the week. Remember, we didn't have class on Monday, it is Tuesday. We don't have class on Friday, so this assignment is due on Thursday. And you also know, ultimately, there's no penalty for late work, but I'd love for you to get it done on a timely basis. So, an aside, hey, this is the last week to turn in anything from third quarter, okay? So I sent an email for those that have significant missing work from last term or last semester, third quarter. You need to figure out how to get a hold of me, right? I'm going to have my, what's the right word? My conference, my video conference open all the time. Chime in, I'll get you, show me your work done complete virtually. And we will get you that credit so you can make that decision about third quarter or making it all the way through the year, okay? So here's back to this. Here's your assignment. It's observations about friction, okay? You are going to go to the physics aviary, okay? And basically go to the friction lab, okay? And begin. There are different types of surfaces that you can choose, okay? You're going to do at least 3 trials and take screenshots. So I've got graphite on graphite. I'm gonna just see the mass change right in here. I'm gonna change my mass and then I'm gonna start and it's gonna create data, okay? You are gonna be making data based on a minimum of 3 trials, okay? And once you do this, you get your 3 trials. Take a screenshot. Let's see if I can get that screenshot to go. Right? Take a screenshot and insert that into your document. Okay? So then we go back into our document and we'll post it in, but I want you to post it in nice and large. I don't care how many sheets this ends up being. Okay? So a minimum, right? Perform at least 3 different trials and take a screenshot of the results. Okay? Things I want you to do with the results, so I'm going to just delete those. Is summarize the impacts of the shape of the data. This is the data when you changed surface types. Okay, I just want you to see, are there any changes as far as the slope, maybe, maybe not, the time, the force, etc. Second, I want you to summarize the impact of the shape of the data when you changed the normal force or the mass. Okay, so let's just recall, you change the mass of the object, reset. Right here, you're changing the normal force, okay? So, just want you to pick up on those. And lastly, I want you to describe what each region of the data means to you. Region A, what's that mean? Region B, why does it jump down like that? And then region C, I want you to evaluate that. What does that mean, okay? And basically, you want to be looking at that physics aviary and seeing what actions people are taking. So, and type in what you know. So that's what you're doing this week, making observations. And that is all. Let's see if I